Hello everyone, this is Sujanaa. I'm studying in 4th class in Sri Shantiniketan English Medium School, Gorinta.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Hasini studying in 6th standard in Sri Shantiniketan English Medium School. Aim to prove the presence of carbon dioxide. Apparatus required. 1 bowl, 1 candle, baking soda, vinegar, matchbox and spoon. Take a bowl and fix a candle in it. Sprinkle some baking soda around the candle. Light the candle. It burns. Now pour a little vinegar in the bowl. Foam comes and candle turns off. This happens when vinegar and baking soda are mixed. A gas is called CO2 is released. As more and more CO2 produced, the glass bowl pushes out air. This conclusion. Hence, we concluded that CO2 produced while mixing baking soda with vinegar. Uses. This principle is used to make fire extinguishing to put out fire. They produce CO2 which stops burning. Thank you.